Good morning, guys, and welcome. If you haven't met me already, this is Mr. Hubbard, your new math teacher for the school year. And if you're watching this video, it means that school has officially started. And so I want to welcome you guys. We're going to have a great year, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you and working with you. I wanted to create this video in order to give you a short virtual tour of the classroom and hopefully answer a few questions about how our class will function throughout the school year. So in just a second, I'm going to flip the phone around and video from the opposite direction, and I'll just walk you around from the entrance of the classroom and give you a quick explanation of what you see here. So the first thing you see is our cell phone rack. And if you notice, in each of these pockets, what I've done is I've taken a note card, and each of your names are in here. They are color-coded by class period. So when you guys come in, I expect you to put your cell phones in there immediately in the correct slot, and that way I won't have to harass you about that daily. Other things you see in our classroom, you'll see some small bulletin boards over here. I post typically math riddles, but they're not always math related or related to what we're learning at the time. But so those will be posted up there. You can answer those at any point. I'll change them out once a week, sometimes every 2 weeks. And you'll pick up an index card from my desk, put your name on one side, your answer on the other, and pin it up with your name showing. Other things, you see a blackboard back here. So we use this blackboard to post the daily agenda for each class. When you come in, my expectation is for you to immediately get ready for class. So you'll need to look up here at the agenda and see what we are doing first. Make sure you have all your supplies out and you are seated and ready when class starts. Next thing you'll see is another blackboard that I use just to post major dates, due dates that you need to know, or events that are happening in class. So if we have a big exam or a quiz or a project due, you'll see those dates up here. You also see 3 framed blackboards. These are actually for you guys, and what you can do is throughout the school year, regardless of the chapter, anytime you want, you just let me know and I will send you home with one of these along with some chalk markers. You can take them home. And if you are an artist, this is your opportunity to display your learning. These aren't pictures just for fun. You do some type of artistic interpretation of what you've learned or something that you've learned about mathematics during that chapter. Bring it back in, we'll display it here on the wall, and you can do that for bonus points. In the front of the classroom, you'll see our drop boxes. These are labeled according to class period. Anytime we do something, this is where it goes. Classwork, homework, tests, quizzes, whatever. Make sure you put it in the right box. But yeah, you don't want to put these on the desk with me. I have plenty of other things I'm working on grading. It's a good chance it's going to get mixed around and then we don't know where it went. You also see here a blue clock. This is called the Mega Timer. When we do classwork assignments and I say, take 5 minutes, I'll start the Mega Timer. It'll count down. When it gets about 1 minute, it gives you a little warning beep. And then at the end of that minute, I'll expect you guys to have that finished and turned into the Dropbox. Okay, guys, so those are the big things. Oh, sorry, one last thing. You look on each of your desks, you can see some plastic boxes here. And these are your whiteboards. When you look in the box, there should be a marker, an eraser, and a small whiteboard for each of you. We'll use these during class. These are not to come out unless I give you permission to take them out. There's a blank whiteboard side, and there's also a coordinate grid side. So we'll use those throughout the class period, and you'll get a little bit more used to how we're going to do that. So again, I want to welcome you guys to math class for the school year, and I'm looking forward to it. Bye.